Can you send a WhatsApp voice note as a text? The answer is yes, and here's how to do it. First, what you need to do is a record of voice message, and to do that you want to simply open the WhatsApp application and go to your text chat. After that, you want to click on this microphone icon over here, and by doing so your recording would be started. If you want to pause the recording, you want to simply tap on this pause icon over here, or if you want to send the recording, you want to simply tap on this arrow icon. After that, in order to send this message and in order to send this voice note as a text, if the voice message transcript are available on the recipients, they'd be able to see this voice message as a transcript as well. And here's how to see if it is available or not. You want to simply come back from here, tap on three dots at the top right of your screen and go to your settings. After that, you want to click on chats over here, and you'll be able to see an option called voice message transcripts over here. If it is available, you want to simply tap on here, choose your language over here, and by doing so you'd have successfully enabled a voice message transcript as well. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.